The goal of this activity is to really loosen up the hips. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to want to get some type of ramp, and you want to be offset on the ramp. This could be books, plates, what have you. The way you're going to be offset is going to be left foot back, right foot forward. And so what you're going to do is you're going to cross. In this case, right arm's going to go over left. You're going to push your hips back and just slowly reach for your back toe, in this case the left. You don't want to force the issue though, you're just going to go to where it's comfortable. From here, you're going to hold this position and breathe. On the inhale, you want to have weight on the outside heel, so I'm going to kind of supinate my feet, and then on the exhale, you're going to put weight on the inside heels. And you're just going to hover there, and what you'll find is you'll loosen up over time. Here's what it's going to look like. So right over left, fold back, try to touch my left foot, breathe in. Outside heels, breathe out, inside heels. And if you do that, a lot of times, you can touch your toes with ease. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.